You want a composite deck. The stores are showing you all sorts of things that don't look anything like each other, and they're all different price points, and you don't know what's going on. So today we're going to teach you a little bit about the different types of composite that you might find out there in the stores. There's basically four main categories: wood plastic composite, capped composite, mineral-based composite, and PVC. I'm going to go through each of those right now and tell you a little bit about them. So this is a traditional wood plastic composite board. Now, 15 years ago, 20 years ago when composites first came out, this is what they were. They were a mixture of recycled plastic and wood fiber, extruded through a Play-Doh machine, embossed with a grain pattern on them, and away you go. But the problem with this is that you can see in the board that there's exposed wood fiber in there. You can see the flakes. And what that means is that over time, the mold growth is a potential for this. There is fading and staining issues are certainly going to happen. And so that's not an ideal experience for a long-term project. So what the manufacturer started to do was move to what we call a capped composite. You might hear this referred to as capstock as well. The core of the board is the same thing: recycled plastic, wood fiber, but now they've added a pure layer of plastic, HDPE plastic, over top to give it that fade and stain resistance as well. This is a better product 9 times out of 10 than a traditional uncapped composite. So make sure you look for something that gives you this, otherwise you won't get that fade and stain warranty. All your major brands like Trex, TimberTech, Fiberon, etc. are using capped composites nowadays. It's just a better product. The mineral-based composites is exclusive to decorators. That's the one brand you're going to find this. And so instead of using a wood filler, they're using a limestone mineral mix. That's the actual filler in the board that gives added strength, highest strength to weight ratio in the industry. It's also lighter weight than traditional composites. In this case, also has great traction, but a really good product, just a different way of making things. This is fantastic stuff, and the fact that it doesn't have any organic material in it means it can be installed in the water, on a dock if you had to, around a pool. There's nothing that can really go wrong with it due to moisture. And the final category is PVC. Wolf, Fiberon Paramount, Fiberon Promenade, AZEK, those are all PVC manufacturers. Now PVCs also do not have any filler in them. They're 100% plastic, so they have much of the same benefits as the mineral-based composite, but you are going to get a beautiful finish, usually on both sides, not always, but a really nice finish that can be installed anywhere as well. The warranty on the PVC boards is typically longer than on a composite because there's no organic material in it. So hopefully that helps to identify what you're looking at the next time you pop into one of your local stores.